Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we break down in the middle of nowhere and find a cool waterfall and hopefully catch some fish. So, tag along.
So, we are currently on the side of the road with a full tank in the sub and only a quarter of the tank in the main, and we cannot use any of the fuel in the sub tank. So Liam, we've got to backtrack, yeah?
Yeah. What's backtrack?
Go backwards, go back to where we came.
So,
To go get fuel, yeah?
yeah.
Bearing in mind, the truck has been in the workshop for 5.5 hours this morning.
A month.
1 month before that's getting ready for us.
It's fine, buddy. Aye.
So Dad, what's wrong?
Rock filter. I told them about this fucking today at the shop, and they completely ignored me because apparently I don't know what I'm talking about.
But you're right,
I was
Can we clean
full of crap.
Can we clean it up now?
Is that why the fuel's not going?
Yep. Pretty sure that this is a pretty big reason as to why we ain't getting any fuel in there, and I can't do anything about it. Because we don't have another screen and I don't have a joiner to join it.
And we have a quarter of a tank of fuel.
How far away from the gas station back there?
Not far.
We'll just try back there. Because the gas station up there, people have told me they have bad fuel there and stuff. So
Apparently they have bad fuel.
Can you just show me the light? Yeah, that's it there. Look at it. It's fucking full of water and shit and gunk, and this is brand new.
how could that happen, Dad?
Oh, it's working. It's just slow. You'd think that they'd check the filter, right?
You think so?
Okay, so there's another situation. I think we've fixed it. With the diesel not coming out, it was not coming out properly. But yeah, new filter again.
We don't know yet. We're just gonna wait.
Yeah, we're gonna wait and see. Bye. Is it good one?
Yeah. Well, I think it's working.
It was flowing slow at the start. I barely was coming out, and then Dad did something underneath, and it's now flowing.
So we just had a bit of an issue. So we got the truck a couple of days ago. We had some issue with the sub tank, just not being able to get fuel across. I told them at the dealership that we had that issue this morning, and they told us that it was sorted. Until we got out into the middle of nowhere, and no, it's not sorted. So I just had to get underneath the truck and remove a filter, and probably shouldn't have, but I've got to do what I've got to do to get it to go. So once we get into town, I'll get a new filter and I'll get that all replaced and sorted out. So yeah, positive is we're getting some fuel, and hopefully we can get back on the road. Right, so we got the truck home. We've got the second-hand canopy. I just need to do some alterations inside just so we can fit our fridge and our set of drawers to start with. So I just got to measure up. I'll measure up and see what sort of ideas I can come up with, and then yeah, we'll go from there.
Okay, Dad, what are we doing?
So at the moment I'm trying to make it so that we've got a usable canopy. So I've taken parts and butchered old bits and pieces that I've had around the house and around where we got out of the last canopy, and I'm just trying to make it work. So I've had to cut a few things, and I kind of left that off screen because it's probably not the safest. I wasn't doing it the safest way, but Yeah, that's what happens when you're in the middle of nowhere. So I'm just trying to use bits and pieces to do this up so I can make it look okay, so that your mum's happy, and make it practical. So a bit of an update. Been using little bits and pieces that I had around the house and around where we are now, bits out of the old canopy, just to make this canopy a little bit more functional, and I'll just take you around what I've done so far. So just used a lot of the wood and that we had when we built the shelves and stuff in the other canopy out. A lot of these were pull-out drawers that we'd made, a bench top and things that we'd done, so I just used that and a lot of framework from where the old fridge was. So it's all sitting in there now, which hopefully it'll look a little bit better once the fridge goes in and I clean out a little bit of the crap that I've managed to get into there so far. And then coming around to this side, I've had to put the drawers into, put the drawers that we had in the other truck into this one. I had to build it up, which I didn't know if it was going to work or not. I didn't know if I was going to have enough parts, I guess, or bits and pieces to actually get it, but I've managed to do that so far. So I've got a couple more things to do on this side, and then hopefully this side will be done. But yeah, there's a couple of pull-out drawers and they actually work, so yeah, it's another thing down and another weekend down. So it's been a few days now. I've used pretty much most of the material that I actually had, and sort of half finished it, I guess you'd say. But I'll just give you a look and you can have a look at the work that I've done so far. So that's it there. Looks a little bit different compared to when we had it last. Do that side there and then take you around to the other side. And so we got our drawers in on this side as well. We just had to sort of raise them up a little bit. Nice little shelf up the top. So that's that all sort of sorted out, and now time to work on getting the solar panel on and figuring out where to get a new battery from. So, cheers. And then as you can see, still got the old straps on the outside. I'm trying to come up with a way of bolting it down without bolting it in onto the tray at this stage. I did have something worked out, but I just don't have a welder. So if I can get myself or my hands on a welder, I'll be making up some brackets to bolt it down properly, and hopefully get rid of the straps that are on it.
So we are off to find a secret fishing spot that we were told about. So let's go see if we can find it. Okay, so the road we were on was pretty bad, and after travelling on this for a few hours, we decided to check out this hidden waterfall instead. The secret fishing spot will have to wait for another day. We couldn't swim there though, too many salties.
Right, where are we going today?
Fishing the river.
Where? What river?
We're going down the Fuso River. I don't know what the name is, but we're going to the boat ramp to fishing.
What are you going to catch?
Nothing. Just sticks.
Sticks.
Yeah.
You can't eat sticks.
Yeah. No.
What are you going to catch?
Salmon and barra.
How big? How big your barra?
That big. Not going to sear it.
What about your salmon?
Same size.
Are you going to share the salmon?
No.
No?
See, he loves salmon. He will not sear it.
What are you going to catch today?
Nothing. I'm going to be fucking spending all my time setting you guys up to fish.
We found a little pretty spot at the boat ramp. It's around here. Got our truck. My dad getting our rods. And I do not want to go anywhere near that water because there's crocs. And pretty good. We normally fish right next to the ramp where the boat comes in. But people there, but it's okay. Hey Dad, how are you going?
Not that great. Why? How are you going?
Not that great. I haven't caught my barrel or my salmon yet.
Oh,
Can I tell him the big rod?
maybe. Watch out.
We've got the girl green princesses. Right, hey, milk something.
Hold on to it. Hold on.
Baby barrel, baby barrel.
I reckon baby bear. I don't know.
Catfish.
I reckon catfish.
Can we keep it?
No.
Please, I want
It's a
to
good, it's a good size one. This
I want
one.
chicken
This time.
nuggets.
This is your best size yet.
Ah.
What'd you get?
The catfish.
Not your barra that you wanted?
No, but it'll do. I'll still eat it.
It's too little.
Can we make chicken nuggets out of them?
Yeah, put some more bait on it.
Not the barra, babe.
No, just a stinky old catfish.
Not even 5 minutes has passed. And look what he's caught. A baby one. Oh! I don't know.
Yep, it's baby catfish.
Baby catfish. Again. He's catching everything. Dad, I'm the one who's cutting the bite. God. How do you feel about this, that your son's catching more than you are?
Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy that somebody's catching fish.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that little fish.
Watch out for spikes, mate.
Is that Liam a better fisherman than you are?
Probably at the moment. Let's just go, I'll just go put him back, Liam. Go get some more bait, Liam. Take the rod over.
Bye bye, fishy.
What'd you catch?
Nothing.
0?
Yeah.
What'd you
Two
catch?
catfish.
Not your barrow or your salmon?
No, catfish.
And zilch.
And I think I deserve a nice vlog.
You don't deserve one?
I didn't catch one.
Are you driving us home?
Yep.
Can't even reach the pedals.
Oh! Look!
Go.
Help me!
You got your ice block?
Yep. Yeah.
Well, the caught fish only got ice blocks.
Well, I did all the work, so I get it too.
We got maxi bomb. Honeycomb. Yeah.
Liam said that I did all the work, so I deserved one.
No, you did not.
Coco's just jealous because she didn't do any work and she didn't catch a fish either.
They just kept stealing your bait, eh, Chloe?
Okay, not a super exciting episode, but we still had fun. But sadly, no barrow again. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and we will see you next time. Bye.